Hello friends, welcome back to my channel K and Dev. Today I am going to share with you a game of learning numbers and colors. So here are some activities which you can do at home with your kids. In this game, we have some colored monkeys and some colored numbers. So in the first activity, kid will match the monkey color and the number color. So by doing these activities, K can easily recognize and learn colors name. So like this, we can engage them for a long time. It is really a fun activity and enjoyed a lot. He is engaged at least for half an hour for this game. Next activity is tower building game. Now K will make the tower with this game. This is very simple and one of his favorite game which he want to play again and again. This is very nice game to increase their focus and concentration. It will also increase hand and eye coordination. In the next activity, we will give some number to the kid. Now, kid will find the number and match with the same color. So I tell number 3 to kid. Now kid will find the 3 number and match with the same color. So in the last activity, we will give ball to the kid and tell them the numbers. Now kid will hit the same number. So I hope you like these activities. If you like them, do try them with your kids and hit the like button if you really like them. And also subscribe to the channel to stay tuned with for upcoming such videos. Thank you so much for watching K and Dev. Bye bye.